Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Chrysler 300 louder. To begin, it's essential to understand your vehicle's exhaust system. This system includes components like the exhaust manifold, catalytic converters, resonators, and mufflers. The most effective and common method to achieve a more aggressive sound is by modifying these exhaust components. However, before you start, always check your local noise ordinances to ensure your modifications comply with legal limits. This will help you avoid potential fines and ensure a smooth process. One popular option for increasing exhaust volume is a muffler delete. This involves removing the stock muffler, which significantly amplifies the sound. Alternatively, installing an aftermarket muffler can provide a more refined, yet louder tone, often with improved exhaust flow. For a comprehensive upgrade, consider a cat-back exhaust system. These systems replace all components from the catalytic converter rearward, typically offering a noticeable increase in both sound and a slight boost in horsepower, usually around 5 to 10 horsepower. Another effective modification is a resonator delete. The resonator helps to reduce drone and refine the exhaust note, so removing it can result in a deeper, more raw and aggressive sound. For those seeking performance enhancements alongside increased volume, high-flow catalytic converters are an excellent choice. They allow exhaust gases to exit more freely than stock converters, improving engine efficiency and contributing to a louder exhaust note. These changes can provide a noticeable difference in your vehicle's auditory presence. For the most dramatic sound increase and performance gains, consider upgrading to aftermarket headers. Headers replace the restrictive factory exhaust manifolds, optimizing the flow of exhaust gases directly from the engine cylinders. Long tube headers in particular offer the most substantial increase in volume and a deeper tone. After any significant exhaust modification, it is highly recommended to get an engine tune. This ensures your engine runs optimally, maximizing both the performance and the enhanced sound of your Chrysler 300.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.